can you blow that towel rack down here? Thank you.
Oh, good morning, honey. That feels really good. What? Hey! What the hell? You're not the same giraffe from last night. Get out of here!
What the hell? No. I gotta stop taking my baths during Peter's shenanigans. And away we go. No. I can't feel my legs.
Welcome to the party, pal.
No, wait, there they are. Uh-oh.
What is it?
The horse is right behind the car.
Peter, that thing is just creepy.
Hey, Scat! Go on, you! We're going to see a movie. All right, I'm gonna try something else. No. Oh, that's got all my stink of the day in it. That's nasty. No.
R2? R2! Are you okay?
I think so. Boy, who knows what else is in this swamp? What did you say to me?
Kid, what are you doing?
Get off my plane!
That's not even the same. Oh! What the hell?
Not gonna talk to me like that in my bar.
Not a bar. Oh!
Oh, that's right, Cleveland Moo. No.